Hi class, this is podcast number 2, which deals with Prologue 1, the syllabus posters. What I'm going to do here is to show you how I read your, your discussion boards and how I organize them or try to organize them into a seminar. That is a dialogue between yourselves about common topics and common ideas. So the first thing I've done here, what you can see is that I have PDF'd the whole discussion board. So I've PDF'd the whole discussion board. I've created a text out of it, a text with many voices, and I've read through the text and I've highlighted it and annotated it. Okay, and so that's how I try to construct the seminar discussion. So I try to construct it based on the things that you have said, right, rather than lecturing you about what is in the text, okay? So what you're interested in and what I can get you to talk about, okay, or discuss in a seminar forum. All right, let's take a look at some of my notes, okay? So these notes are all about administrative aspects, okay? So I won't, I'll only post these. This will probably be the only time I post them since this is your first discussion board. So I'm just reminding you what discussion boards are and how they should function and how they're graded. So discussion boards are credited but not graded in the traditional sense. If you get them in on time and on task, you get full credit. So there's only a 1 or a 0 in the grade book for discussion boards. You get it in on time and on task, you get full credit. There's no makeups, no do-overs. In order for a seminar to run, it has to have material that is there before sort of class or has to be there for class. So discussion boards don't work if you post them 3 weeks later. And so there's no real, there's no real need to, if you miss it, you miss it, right? You just move on to the next one. But you only get credit if you get it in on time and on task. The DBs are weighted, right? So the grade book, I'll format that, and the DBs are weighted as 50% of your grade. So they're important to get in. If you get them in on time, on task, you're all set, okay? So just keep that in mind, all right?